Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to give you another recommendation if you're looking to use the law of attraction. More specifically, if you're looking to use the law of attraction to attract more money into your life, I thought it would be a really good place to start. This is actually the second video I've done with a book recommendation for how to attract money into your life using the law of attraction. So what I'm trying to do with these recommendations is obviously only give you books that I've read myself that I think are really good, and I've used the techniques in them to attract money, and I want to impart it to you. So do check out the other video on the channel with another book recommendations. You can read them both, it won't hurt at all. And what I'm going to do as well is I recommend reading the other books by the author. Okay, so right now you want to attract money, that's great, use it, attract money, but also have a look at their other stuff because it's really good. Okay, so the recommendation I've got for you is a guy, an English gentleman called Stuart Wilde. You may or may not have heard of him. He's not quite as famous as you know, like Esther Hicks and The Secret, and you know, going down that sort of vein, or Alan Watts and so on. But I'd say similar, probably not as wide coverage in different things as Alan Watts, but really good. If you're looking to attract money using the law of attraction, I'm going to give you a book recommendation. So here we are. Here's a book recommendation. The trick to money is having some, which might sound weird, especially if you're looking to attract money, but that's a really good book, and it will help you if you want to attract money. And the place I recommend you start, which is absolutely brilliant, really good book on how to use the law of attraction to attract money, and more than that as well, it goes far deeper, is this, The Little Money Bible. You can also find Stuart Wilde here on YouTube and check out some of his speeches and so on, and there's some other stuff that goes deeper in. This is a good one as well, miracles, creating miracles in your life, and The Silent Power. So they're all ones that I've actually read and I would recommend, really good. And The Quickening is good if you want to go really deep into it, but fantastic stuff. Let me know what you think. Have you read any Stuart Wilde? Have you heard of him? Give it a go and let me know what you think. Especially, these are the recommendations, okay? The Trick to Money is Having Some, and The Little Money Bible. Really good, and that will definitely help you attract money into your life, and it will give you a certain peace, as it did me. If you're interested in the law of attraction, do give us a thumbs up, and also get your free guide as well. I've written a free guide rather. It's at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I'll put the link below, attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and what it does is show you how to use the law of attraction in 3 simple steps that you can apply today. It's how I've used it successfully. I show you what I've manifested, and you actually see pictures of it and so on. And I thought it'd be really cool to do a guide, because I know when you're recommending authors and all of that stuff, it can seem a bit out there. You know, it's all right for them. They've got making all the sales of their books, and they're doing seminars on this stuff. But I thought it'd be interesting to give you a guide on how I've actually used the law of attraction and what I've attracted. It's a nice car. You'll be able to see it. You can use the law of attraction for anything that you want, but let me show you how I've used it successfully. It's at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I'll drop the link below, and I hope that helps you as well. Do get that free guide. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of Stuart Wilde, and do check out my other videos as well, because you'll find another book recommendation if you need money as well. Alright guys, I'll leave it with you. Good luck with it. Check it out. Really good author and good stuff, and it will give you peace of mind, and the money will follow. And I'll see you in the next one.